Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be do a new rug pull, but don't worry, we're not going to be using Pump the Fund this time. That place is just way too crowded right now. And honestly, it feels like the same coins are getting recycled over and over again. Instead, I'm going to show you how to do it on a platform called Luna. I've been experimenting with it recently, and it's actually been super smooth, way easier to set things up, and a lot less competition compared to the usual spots. So in this video, I'll take you step by step through the process of launching a meme coin on Solana using Luna. By the end, you'll see how quick it can be to spin something up, whether you're just having fun with friends or testing out a new idea. All right, let's dive in and start building this rug together. Now, you want to purchase tokens, so just give me like 2 minutes. Let me think of the token idea. Bretta's wife. Okay, so let's just copy and paste this. This is going to be a full live video, so you can watch all this to the end. And you can feel I'm not faking anything. It's 100% legit, 100% real. So should I copy this? Put it here. Okay, nice. So come here and just like that. Okay, nice. And now for the supply, you see the decibels is 9. You want to do the same, so 1. So when you have the one that you want to put in 9 more decibels, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There you go. So it's going to be 1 billion. Come on here, such a description. We just can make some random description up, or we can copy their description. Up here, some nice. We have this description now. Do you want to select this? Well, it's optional, but it's just for me. I'm going to select it. This isn't actually a real website, and just putting some random shit just so it makes my coin more trustable overall, so I get more investors. Yeah, and for the social tags, and just go into this is once again it's optional, but I'm gonna add this so we get more investors, because if they see this, then it just makes it more trustable. So I'm going to copy their website, and I'm going to copy their Twitter also. You know, it come over to the investors booster. Now it's called this, so the website doesn't get banned or whatever, but pretty much here is where we can remove the liquidity of the coin. Now, because we're making the coin, we're going to be owning most of the coin. You know, even if we put $100 as a coin of $50, we're still going to be owning most of it because we are making the coin. Now, you've got to select these so you can remove the liquidity. Now, with this, you could also revoke mint and revoke update and revoke freeze, which pretty much, you know, it freezes their money so they can't take it back out. You know, with all these selected, it'll only cost 0.3, which is the cheapest coin one show on the market. But because we're selecting these, we're gonna select 0.5 now. Guess we're gonna make all money back straight away. So, you know, I'm just gonna select these. Okay, now commit your wallet. Make sure what's connected. Okay, nice. You're gonna get this. Just quick confirm. And you was gonna be connected. You can log out at any time. There we go. Keep in mind, we've got $700 a what now, and let's see how much we'll make afterwards. But yeah, you want a quick launch token here. Proceed, confirm. Now the reason it stays all listed because the API is not verified yet, but I can promise you guys it's safe. And if you don't trust it, then, you know, just simply go and use it. It's completely up to you. Now you're just gonna wait for the website to load. This shouldn't take too long. Okay, perfect. Transaction sent. Now this is your transaction ID. You can copy and paste this. Up here, as you can see, congratulations, you use funds. So let's be 6 liquidity. Okay, so as you want to go into your wallet, scroll down, you can see that your tokens here, and you currently hold in 1 billion of it. Okay, so now I gotta quit the liquidity pool. So now you want to click on liquidity pool here. You know, double tap onto liquidity here. Quick create in the quick standard A and N. Quick create. There we go. Okay, so now that you're on Radium, click into your profile. Make sure you're logged in. We're gonna come down here, click onto your token, click on the 3 dots, click onto view on Solana, eat network. If it doesn't, then you wanna click onto this token address. You wanna click copy. When you're ready, you wanna come here, select this, make sure it's selected as Sol, and then for your top one, you wanna come here and you wanna get your token address, as I just showed you, and you want to select it right here, put it right here. And then you want to put your main, so mine was Burnett's wife, whatever. There we go. Add user token. And then you just want to select that. There you go. Okay, so now here you got out some carefully. So here's where you decide how much of the liquidity you want to own. the current liquidity we can make is 1 billion, but we want to own quite a lot of that. So we're going to own 100 million of it, and we're going to send the rest, but 900 million, to the liquidity pool. So you went 900 million, just like this. There you go. And then this will leave us with 10% off the claim. So, you know, we can dump on them. Very good with that. And then for your soul, here, we're just going to put, I mean, the more you put, the more you can dump. But for this example, I'm just going to put 4. Still, I had there 1 particle left. And if you're using less, like 1 soul or 2 soul, then I recommend putting your fee high to like 4%. But because we're using 4 soul, we're going to put our percentage fee to, so now we want to initialize the liquidity pool. Now, as soon as you click this, that means people are ready to buy in. Okay, so quick initialize the creator pool. Okay, nice. So your pool is created successfully. You want to click on got it, and then you want to go over to portfolio standard. Now you just want to wait until your pool has arrived. It's going to take a couple minutes, but as you can see here, we're holding 100 million, and join check in the wallet. There we go. We're holding 100 million. Allow money is in the Monero right now. Okay, nice. So you want to go over to with your address, you want to go to that scanner or in a dub form. You want to click on some random token, you know, copy the link out. Okay, and there we go. Now we're just going to wait until your token appears. Now this shouldn't take longer than 5 to 10 minutes, and then your token should appear on the market. Okay, as you can see, our token's on the market. Put in his wife. Now, do I scroll up? We added Buick Ready here, 900. Now we are getting a few buyers. You know, this is supposed to misspike, but some of them are real, but you know, they bought and they sold. Okay, now we're just going to wait and see how it performs. Give it between 5 to 10 minutes and before it actually does hit the market, because these are just snipers. And yeah, I'll get back to you when it starts picking up motion. It should only take about 5 minutes. As you can see, it's 4 minutes old. As soon as it gets to about 5 minutes old, yeah, as soon as it gets 5 minutes old, you are going to see a lot of buyers. Okay, we have had a big buyer here. We got $7.98. It's nearly about 5 minutes old. So now we just want to wait, because I said this is all live. I really don't want to take any of this. But yeah, while we wait for the buyers to come in, let's just look at some stuff right here. So as you can see, the liquidity, you know, pretty much every single investor, what you get here, because we make the liquidity, you know, we own 900% of it. So every single investor or buyer, what we get, we own their money pretty much. So as soon as we come over to Ethereum, it hadn't loaded yet, but I'm going to show you. We get to take out all their money, so we get to keep all of this. So exit's 5 minutes old now, so it should start giving and seeing the buyers. I'll get back to you in about 10-20 minutes to see how it's doing. Okay, so the claim is 7 minutes old, started to pick up. So we got another $6 buy, $9 buy, $1 buy, $6 buy. Okay, so they're not holding in a lot of money, but it's doing okay. Okay guys, so it's been nearly 10 minutes now. We have 70 buys and fixed sales. You know, it's doing pretty good. This is the only realistic channel now. All these other channels, you know, they say to make a climb and instantly get, you know, 10 soul or 5 soul, you know, it's all bullshit. No, this is realistic here. When you met you climb, you're only gonna make like, you know, $200, $400, $500. You know, sometimes it's a real good narrative, then yeah, it's gonna go crazy. It's gonna go to $10 million market cap. If it's possible, the more coins you make, the more descent chance you have. You know, like Reynolds said, he made 150 claims before he made his first claim, what went to $10 million market cap. Now, that's absolutely insane to hear. You know, anything's possible in this world. But yeah, so we're just gonna leave it for some more minutes. But someone just bought 180 books. Okay, we're gonna put some more people actually buying 200 and 180, 21, and rails more. Anyone else gonna buy? I don't think so, guys. Okay, I'm going to drain the liquidity though. You want to refresh, see all profits. We can take out, I'll come here, 100. There though, we can take out 6.7 soul. Okay, so I think I'm going to vote for it. Let me just refresh, make sure the number of buyers, because and get the most profit we can here. Okay, I feel like these buyers are going to take out, because one of them already actually did take out here. Let's give it like 5 more seconds, and then I'm going to rotate it. Okay, I think I'm going to rotate it. So if I come here, let's just refresh one more time. Make sure everything's okay. 6.7 Sol. You want to click remove liquidity. Now just wait. Click here. Okay, 6.7 Sol, blah. Confirm. Remove liquidity. Now, this is probably gonna go to nothing. Okay, now this is gonna go to nothing. Let's see. It's gonna say remove liquidity because we added then 900 here. Now it's gonna say remove 900. Okay, there we go. Remove 500. Okay, nice. Now, if we come here, see our profits. Nice. We are on $1,000. So from 700 to 1,000, that's, you know, it's quite a decent amount of money. You know, that was easy. And if you want to sell the rest of this, just go into the Solana incinerator and then you can sell like that. But yeah, we just stole. See all this money here, 180, 10, 65, 95, 35, 28, 14, 2, 7, even me 7, just, you know, they all add up. We just stole all this, guys. We just stole all this. Someone else actually bought, $21, just 5 rope pull that. So yeah, it's pretty good. That was a decent rope pull night. See, it's saying this still misreadable, whatever. We're on $1,000 now. If you think any of this is fake, go to the link here. They go check it all out for yourselves. But yeah, and if you really want to do this, just hop over to Luna and yeah, go launch your own meme coin on Solana. Furiously mess around with it, see what happens. It's wild, it's chaotic, and honestly, it's kind of fun if you just go for it. I mean, that's the whole point, right? You don't just sit and watch you jump in, do your own thing, see how the hype rolls. Maybe then, you know, test the waters a little. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate all the support and stuff. This video wasn't about flashy, crazy edits or trying to impress anyone. Just keeping it chill, talking through how this stuff works and giving you the push to maybe try it yourself if you're brave enough. It's kind of insane to think how fast these coins can go from 0 to trending, and Lunar makes it ridiculously easy to just launch one and see what happens. So yeah, if you're feeling daring, go for it. Make your own little chaos and see where it leads. And yeah, that's about it. Just a chill little look at how meme coins get launched, pumped, and sometimes rugged on Solana through Luna. You know, much love to everyone, and I'll catch you in the next video.